In this BYTE review, I'm going to be showing you a system that's claiming to make them $300 to $500 daily with crypto, regardless of the price of Bitcoin. I'm going to be showing you what this is and, of course, what this isn't. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out BYTE, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. If you decide to pick this up through my link, I've got a ton of extra bonuses for you here. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you pick this up through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, what if you get the best of crypto without its risks? Watch how we make 300 to 500 daily with crypto, regardless of Bitcoin price, or investing without investing a penny, by leveraging a little known cryptocurrency loophole, zero risk, no investment required, real spendable money. So essentially they're saying that they're making $300, $500 a day. They're not investing their money here. And let's see what's real about this here. Now, here's the thing. They've got some income proof here. They say they've made $13,000 from this. I believe it, that they've made money from this. And I believe that they've been using a method to do this. But I do have an issue with this right here. Like, these screenshots have nothing to do with this. This is like Warrior Plus screenshots. I do not know why that's on the sales page. I hope they take that off there. It has nothing to do with this method. These things here, existing members, these are all not real proof from this. I wish they would take that off. I hope this is just a sales page preview because it has nothing to do with this. They say log into here, follow the hack, and then profit from it. Of course, you're gonna have to go through the training and actually apply what they teach in here if you're gonna get any results with this. But I'm disappointed by this right here. This income proof is not real income proof from this. This is proof from other stuff. So I hope this is a preview page and not the real page here. Again, you can check out the sales page once you get there. Once you purchase this, you'll get access to the training here. It's going to teach you how they've made $13,000 in free crypto. They say without investing a cent, but I think they need to invest something here. I'm skeptical that he didn't put any money into this at all to do this. They say that they show you a way, I think, to get like $5 in free crypto, but I don't think you can just like not invest anything in this and make money. Now, these screenshots, these look like placeholders here. So again, hopefully it's just a placeholder. But yeah, if you get this, you get access to the members area, the support. There's a bunch of extra bonuses here as well. One thing I do want you to try, as it shows up on a lot of these sales pages, move your mouse away on this. And a lot of times a discount code will come up here. It might not, but I would try it out if I were you. I make less money by showing you these discounts, so please hit that like button, as I really appreciate it if you want me to keep showing you these discounts. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a quick video, explain this a little bit more, then I'm going to come back and show you the actual members area, talk about a little more what this actually is, and I'm going to show you the OTOs and the discounts.
Want to see something cool? We've made $13,650.22 in free crypto last month alone. This is real spendable cash that we can use to buy whatever we want. It took just a couple of minutes per day to make this kind of money. And here is the best part. We didn't invest a single penny. Yup, we didn't invest in any fancy NFTs, nor did we invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other coin. Buying and selling NFTs may be profitable, but it's super complicated. No one knows if the price is going up or down. So we choose to only play with the house money and make $300 to $500 daily in free crypto money. Doesn't matter if the price is going up or down, there is no risk to us. We rarely check the price of Bitcoin. It's true, we don't know how much Bitcoin is worth right now. Funny, huh? Maybe, but it's irrelevant to what we do. Bitcoin can go all the way down to $1. We will still make $500 plus every single day. We've figured out a way to make free money off the crypto market without investing a penny. Oh, and it doesn't require any technical knowledge. We don't do any trading, mining, buying, selling, or holding, none of that. Instead, we use little-known cryptocurrency loophole. It basically allows us to earn free crypto. Look, unless you've been living under a rock for the past decade, you already know that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance. Crypto created more millionaires than any other industry combined. From teenagers making hundreds of thousands from NFTs and garbage coins to big institutions making billions of dollars from Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies are the future and there is no going back, no matter what anyone says. But it's not that simple. It comes with great risk. For each one who makes a fortune with crypto, there are dozens of others who lost their life savings with no return. I hate to burst your bubble, but it's the truth. If you don't have a great knowledge of risk management and investment in general, you are screwed, period. Luckily, we found a better way. We created a new better way to profit like crazy from cryptocurrencies without investing a penny, meaning we have zero risk. Hi there, it's Jono Armstrong here, and along with my partner Andrew, I'd like to invite you to BYTE, the world's first system to profit from cryptocurrencies without investing a penny. We've discovered a new way to make a ridiculous amount of money with no risk at all. Money like this. Yeah, that's about $20,000 casually sitting in my wallet that I got for 100% free, which means every dollar is pure profit, but I can't take all the credit. As much as I wish it was me who discovered this system, I didn't. It was all figured out by my genius friend, Andy. Andy is a nerd, the kind of guy who reads about finance and investment for fun. A few months ago, he reached out to me with a new idea. He told me that he'd found a way to make thousands of dollars for 100% free. To be completely honest with you, I thought it's too good to be true. I was very skeptical. We got on a call. He showed me live proof. Because I was super skeptical, I created a new wallet with $0 in it. He then gave me instructions on how to implement his new strategy. Surprisingly, it wasn't hard at all. It took me just a few minutes. It's very easy. And that's coming from me, a guy who doesn't even understand tweets about crypto. The next day, I was stunned. I woke up with $4,305.11 in my wallet. It was about 3 a.m. where he lives, but I was too excited to care. I immediately called him, and in just 5 minutes, I was able to withdraw it to my bank account. Let me show you how simple it is. All it takes is just 3 simple steps. Step 1, log in. Step 2, activate Crypto Hack. Step 3, profit. And if you think this is only working for us, you're wrong, my friend. It works for anyone. I shared this exact system with hundreds of people. All of them are making money. Take a look at just a few of our members' earnings. Yanni K, a single father in Georgia, USA, made $1,439.56 using BYTE. Adam S, a college dropout from Chicago, USA, made $3,501.44. Jasmine B, a stay-at-home mother in London, UK, made a whopping $4,206.64. All of this by utilizing the power of BYTE, the same system you're about to get your hands on. Wondering how much it's going to cost you? We originally planned on charging $2,000 for BYTE, and that's a fair pricing considering how much you're going to make with it. $2,000 is a no-brainer. But we get it, that's a lot of money, and you probably worked super hard the past couple of years and got little to no results. We understand how frustrating that can be. That's why we're going to offer you BYTE at an unheard of discount. You can get access to BYTE, same price as a cheap dinner. You will get instant access to the same system we use to get free crypto with zero risk, but you have to act now. Look, we're going to be completely honest with you. This special offer will not last for long. It wouldn't be fair to our existing customers. Plus, we need to keep a certain number of customers so we can offer them the support they need in order to succeed. That's why we're only accepting a very limited number of new members. Once we hit that limit, the price is going back to $2,000 forever, and there is nothing you can do about it. And remember, every minute you wait is a minute where you could be getting results. So what are you waiting for? Click that button below as fast as you can to begin your journey with BYTE at the lowest possible one-time investment. I forgot to mention, you're also protected by our 365 days money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to worry about. Go ahead, click on the button now, and I'll see you on the inside.
Okay, so we're back in the members area here. What this is, it's something that I'm never even heard about before. Something called airdrops with crypto. And what happens here, essentially, from what I've understood in this training, is you take your crypto and you buy into other cryptos, and they reward you by transferring into other cryptos. Again, I'm not a crypto expert. I'm never ever giving you investing advice. Only do stuff with your money that you're prepared to lose. This isn't an investment video here, but the way that this works is very interesting. This is definitely a product for people that are into this whole crypto thing. If you're excited about it, if you see the opportunity in there, and also with opportunity comes risk. Right. So you got to be aware of that as well. But it's very interesting how he's gone in there and he walks through the entire process of like how to do this, how he's finding these airdrops, how he's increasing your odds. You know, when I see the word odds, I feel like it's kind of like there's a risk there, right? So, or maybe it's increasing your odds of finding these. I don't know. And then big airdrops here. So he talks about exactly how to do that in here. It's very interesting. So if you are interested in these kind of new things coming out that's not typical, like a lot of these programs that come out, they teach like affiliate marketing or they teach product creation. So this is new. So if that's something that you're interested in and you want to take a look at it and see what that's about, then definitely check this out there. There are multiple OTOs. So the first upgrade here is they're going to teach you, from what I've read, is it's more of an advanced method of doing this. He's going to show you how he made even more money doing this method. So this is like an advanced method with this. Probably a lot of you will want to get this one just because it's going to go deeper into this. They do, if you click the no thanks button or move your mouse away, a down sell is going to come up here where you can get $10 off. Again, I make less by showing you these discounts. Smash that like button, please, as it really does help out. Okay, so the next OTO you're going to see here is coaching. So if you need more hand holding from them, you can get this one. Again, click that no thanks button. You can get $100 off of this and get a big discount on it. So make sure you do that. Next one here is it's another, they're going to show you the best cryptos to buy, I guess. Next one, you can get a $100 discount off of that if you click the no thanks button. Next one here is you can get all their apps and methods here. So you get a bunch of their different programs. Make sure you hit that no thanks button, $20 off. And the last one here is you can get reseller rights. So actually sell this, hit the no thanks button, get $40 off. All these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about BYTE and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, the sales page that I saw had a bunch of proof on it that's not from doing like crypto. So that's really, I don't like that. And I wish that would go away. So do not purchase this based upon that there. So I just want you to be aware of that. Also, as far as like not having to invest a penny of your money, I don't know if that's like 100% true or not. I think they do say you can get like some like $5 worth of free crypto by signing up to some site or something. I've seen that before, but just know you probably are going to have to put in some of your money. What do I like about this? This is a new kind of system, something I've never seen before. If you're looking for something fresh, that's different than all the stuff you've probably seen before, and you want to learn about something that's just coming out, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at BYTE, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video.